number 4. This tab is referred to as our attachments. So everybody's going to have a different kind of style of house out there, and we give you those different kind of attachment points that we can hook onto. So the first one is attached to wall. The second one, if you have like a single story, we can attach it to the eave of the house, the wood eave. Lastly, if you need to get some more height out of it, we can attach to the roof of the house. So the only thing outside of those attachments would be a freestanding. A freestanding is a self-supporting structure, okay? Freestandings require footings, steel inside, so you have to dig a hole, put the steel inside the footing, pour concrete around it, because it's self-supporting, okay? So let's click back to attach to wall. Let's scroll down. We give you model house shapes, okay? This does not affect your price, it's just to give you closer to what your house may look like. So you can select what kind of represents what you might have at your house. We also give you the option for a single story, and we also give you an option for a 2-story. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.